friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw a 6'7" toilet from Italian Brainrot, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. First, we're going to get started by splitting our paper in half. And we're going to get started on the left-hand side with a circle for that left eye. We're going to leave a gap moving across on the right-hand side. We're just going to replicate that. Now coming further in towards the inside corner, we're going to draw in another circle for the eyeball, for the pupil. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. Now on the very top, let's draw in another circle for the highlight. And we're just going to color that in black. Let's draw the 6 up above. So up above here, we're going to draw in a circle. Coming over towards the right, we're going to curve this around and across. From that corner, let's tuck this up, bringing that back down, and then we'll draw a diagonal line coming over. Now from that point, we're just going to arch this around and in on the left-hand side. And now let's come over and draw in the number 7. So over here, we're going to draw in a straight line coming up. We're going to pull this straight line through. From that point, we're going to curve this down towards that eye. We'll do the same on the top. So we're going to flatten this out, pulling that over. We'll straighten this out on the right-hand side, pulling that through, ending this at the same height as that line on the inside. And then from here, just curving this down, again towards the eye. Let's straighten this out in the middle with a flat line. We'll do the exact same thing on the left and right-hand side. Now from here, let's round out the side of the top of that toilet, curving that through. And then we're going to flatten this out again, pulling that in towards our numbers. We're going to continue this line through as we come behind. So from the eye here, we're just going to bring this line over. Now let's draw on the top of the mouth. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line across. For the teeth, we're going to arch this line over and in from both sides. Now again, from both sides, we're just going to curve this over and through towards the center. Now on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line down and then in. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. From that point, we're just going to curve this line up. Now from here, we're going to arch this line around, flattening that out, pulling that back through on the side. Now we're going to draw in some of the numbers here above. So for the 6 on the left-hand side, just a half circle. Stepping over to the right of this, curving this over and in. We're going to curve this back up and down. We'll bring this out across. And then from that corner, just curving this up and back down. Let's come over for the 7. We're going to draw in a curved line, stretching out on a diagonal. We'll flatten this out, pulling this in. Let's bring this line back up towards the top. And then again, pulling this out on a diagonal. Let's bring this diagonal line through towards the bottom. And then we'll curve this back out. We'll draw in another 7 behind. So stepping up, straight line up. We'll pull this diagonal line in towards that corner. Now from here, we're going to draw another diagonal line coming through. And then we're just going to curve this down towards that 7. Let's move in behind, a curved line arching that out. We'll flatten this out with a straight line. And then from that point, we're just going to curve this around and back down. Now on the inside, diagonal line coming up. We'll bring this line over towards the side. Let's pull this through towards the bottom. Bring this back across. Now from here, we're going to curve this line out. We'll do the exact same thing as we pull through on the bottom. Let's move over on the left-hand side, diagonal line coming out, curving that up on the inside, bringing that back down. And then we'll do the same thing on the side, curving this over and through. Now from here, we're going to curve this line across. Bring this up, back down. Let's pull this diagonal line over. And then from that point, we're going to tuck this around and in on the side. Now from here, right in the middle, we're going to draw in a circle. Let's close off the mouth. On the left-hand corner here, curving this line in. And then we're going to do the exact same thing on the right. Now let's draw on the arm. So we're going to curve this line around and up. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. We're going to come through underneath, curving this around and out. And then we'll replicate that on the left. Now from here for the wrist, we're going to bring this line down, over, and then back up on the side. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the left. Now for the thumb, stepping in, we're going to curve this around and down. We'll come over on the right, replicating that. Now from that point, we're going to curve this line over and across. Let's step up for that pointer finger that's connected here. So we're just going to curve this around and down. And then let's step in, curving this through towards that line on the bottom. We're going to draw in a curved line coming across on both sides for the center of the hand here, where the fingers are going to attach. Step up in the middle, curving this around, down and back in like we did for the pointer finger. Let's come over again, curving this around, back down. And then again for that pinky, just curving this over and through. Now let's close off the hand, arching this around and in. Let's continue to draw on the toilet bowl. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line around, scooping this in towards the middle. We'll do the exact same thing on the right-hand side. Now as we come down on the left, we're going to curve this around and in. We'll replicate this on the right-hand side. Now on both sides, draw a diagonal line coming out. And then as we come back, we're going to curve this over, around, and then in on the side. And that is it. That's how you draw 6-7 toilet. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.